Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment, share this video, and to all my old and new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how I actually cleared my skin. I'm going to show you guys everything with pictures, the ingredients I use for my soap, the ingredients to look out for in your skincare products, every single thing that I use. I'm going to spill everything in this video. So if this is something you are interested in, then keep on watching this video, and without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. So I'm going to start by showing you guys a video or a picture of what my skin looked like before this whole thing started. So this is what my face currently looks like right now, and we are going to try to get all these things off my face in 1 week. I'll be trying different things and let's see how this goes. So if you're interested to see how I went from this, keep on watching this video. When this whole thing started, I didn't know that this was actually a different kind of acne. I think it's called fungi acne or something like that. I think it's called fungi acne. I've never experienced this before. I didn't know what it was. I just felt it was rashes and I was reacting to water because of change of environment, and I was just scratching everything open. I was opening all my pores, and without knowing, my face got to this level, at this particular level you're seeing right now. At that point, I already had a lot of dark spots and fresh acne with pores. So I didn't know until the day I made that video. I just told myself, no, this was too much, and I was going to start looking for a remedy to clear my skin. Okay, so acne wanted to ruin my beautiful face for me, but I said no. Okay, I said no, and I started treating it. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually clear your acne without spending so much money, because trust me, I didn't spend so much money buying any products. I did everything myself, and I'm going to tell you guys every single thing I use. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients and everything. So the first thing I actually started using on my skin is called Dudu Osun. You guys, look at this. Look at, let me focus on this. Do you see this soap? This is what I started using on my skin at first, and I tell you, I kid you not, this product you see right here is very, very affordable, but it works like magic. I'm going to recommend this to anybody any day. Now you have to try and get the original one, because there are a lot of fake ones in the market right now, and this one actually has fragrance. If you want the one that doesn't have fragrance, and I think they also have that other one that is fragrance free, in case you have very sensitive skin and you don't want to use this one. But you see this soap, even if you don't have money to buy any other thing, this is going to do the job for you. And I'm going to list the ingredients in this in case you decide to use this. It contains palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm pod bunch ash, shea butter, lime juice, honey, whole leaf aloe vera, camwood powder, lemon juice, water, and perfume. So this is what this particular soap contains. I normally buy this in bulk. As you can see, I already finished 2 packs of it just recently, and I'm going to get new ones. I used 2 different kinds of black soap. One was this Dudu Osun, and the other one was the one I did by myself, where I bought the African black soap, the raw African black soap, and I mixed it by myself. Now I'm going to list all the ingredients that I added to that one, and the reason why I did that second soap was because I felt the ingredients in this one was not really enough to do all the job for me. I needed to add more active ingredients in my black soap. So I was using this Dudu Osun in the morning, since I don't always have time in the morning to do a lot of skincare routine. So I just apply this to my face in the morning, allow it to dry, and then I wash it off my face, and then I leave the house and go for my normal business. And then the second soap that I use was the one I normally use at night when I have the time to actually use it properly. And I'm going to list all the ingredients, like most of the ingredients, the most important ingredients that I use in that soap. The active ingredients I use are niacinamide powder, kojic acid, lactic acid, alpha-arbutin, and glutathione serum. Added some herbal ingredients to it. I used rice powder, I used camwood powder, I used sandalwood powder, I added licorice powder, the white one, and I think I added neem powder as well, because neem powder is very beneficial to the skin. Now I don't use lemon or lime. I don't use fresh lemon and fresh lime in my soap. I rather use the carrier oil, the lemon carrier oil. I also use the orange oil in my soap, and I started using a lot of lightweight oils because my skin was I was breaking out badly. I started using grapeseed oil and peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and also rice bran oil. Other ingredients I also added to my soap was orange peel powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, and the rest. So if you want me to make a detailed video on my black soap, I'm going to get that video out for you guys. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see a tutorial on how I make the soap that I use. I will go ahead and make that video for you guys. Then these things that were things that I started using, and the way I use this soap is in the night I just apply this soap to my face and my chest, because I also had acne on my chest, and I just leave it to dry up before I enter the bathroom to start taking my bath. I was exfoliating my skin twice a week. I did my scrub by myself with other ingredients that if you guys want to see, I'll make a video for you guys on that as well. And then the last thing that I used, the face mask that I used, which was what I actually used to tackle the dark spots, were turmeric and milk face masks. This particular face mask works like magic. By the time you're watching this video, I think I would have posted a tutorial on that face mask on my TikTok account, so you can head over to that place and watch the video, or better still, I can still make the video for YouTube as well. So these are the 3 things that I was consistent with, like back to back. I was using them. I didn't skip any single day in my skincare routine until everything cleared up. And as you can see, this is my forehead. As you can see, everything is looking fine now. Any other thing you're seeing on my skin right now is of recent. This is of recent. I think these two actually happened recently, and I scratched it. So I am so glad that I started doing that, and I'm so glad I actually filmed a video before I started treating my skin. While I was doing all that, I used like 2 different oils consistently, morning and night, every single day, and this was what I used to actually dry out my acne. And these 2 oils are peppermint oil and tea tree oil. Yes, peppermint oil and tea tree oil. And the way I was using this was after washing my face in the morning with my black soap, and when I come out of the bathroom after washing my face, I mix the peppermint oil and the tea tree oil together and apply to my face and my chest. The next few days that I applied this, I felt a little bit of tingling feeling when I applied this, because my pores were all open and it was actually painful. But after like 3 days or 4 days, I was not experiencing that again, and by then all the acne and pimples were already drying out. These 2 oils together works like magic. Like, they work as fast as possible to dry out your acne if you have this type of acne. So I was using both of them, and I still use both of them up to today. I can't actually stay without those 2 oils right now. I still apply them every single time because I love how they make my skin feel. So get these 2 oils and use them on your skin. How I finish up my skincare routine is, after applying the 2 oils to my face, I allow them to dry up. I just allow it to dry up before I apply my cream to my body. So that was how I was applying every single thing. And now the final thing, or the last thing that I stopped doing, actually I stopped doing few other things. I stayed away from makeup, you guys. I stayed away from makeup for the few weeks I was struggling to treat that acne. I didn't apply any makeup to my skin. Like, I didn't apply any makeup to my face at all, because I didn't want anything to clog my pores and make me break out even more. Now depending on how severe your acne is, I don't even think you want to apply makeup on a face that looks like this. Like, my face was actually hurting from all the acne scars and open pores and everything, so I was not even in a situation to apply makeup to my skin, and I stayed away from all my makeup until everything dried up and healed. Now the next thing is I stopped eating peanuts, because
I actually realized that once I eat peanuts, I break out the next morning. So I stayed away from peanuts. Even up to today, if I mistakenly eat peanuts, then I'm calling for more pimples. I don't know why. I don't know why it's like that with me, but that's just it. So and then the other, final thing, I feel everybody should already know this by now. Don't use your body towel as your face towel. And if you have a face towel, try to wash it all the time. Like, if it's possible for you to wash it every single day, please do. Okay, this is something I didn't know. I was just being so careless and doing anyhow until it actually affected me badly. That was when I started taking extra precaution with everything that I was using. So these are all the things that I did to clear my acne, and I hope I've actually touched every single part. And if you still have questions on anything, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I'll be replying every single person. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.